Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we will discuss how we can install WinZip on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open Microsoft Store and search for WinZip and select WinZip Microsoft Edition and click on Install button. Here you can see it is installing the software. Let me complete the installation process. Once it gets installed, you can simply close the Microsoft Store page and click on Start button and search for the application to open it. And after that, you are ready to use the application. WinZip offers two versions. One is Evolution version and another one is the Pro version. So if you want to get 1 month free trial, you can simply click on Get Start and claim your 1 month free trial. If you like the software, you can purchase WinZip Pro. Now let me show you how you can make WinZip the default. For that, simply navigate to any zip files. Right click on the file, then click on Open with. Here, if you get WinZip option, simply select it, or else simply click on Choose another app, and from the list, select WinZip and click on Always. This will set WinZip the default. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.